Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody needs a little bit of help removing this white background. They're really close from what I can tell they're doing. My first sign and right there that you got the P all is not right. So I'm just going to do this. I've already done it and it came out really good. That would print quite well. So we've already got a copy of it, so we don't need to make a copy. And I set your nudge factor on a little bit higher than 3 inches. Because then I'm going to go to trace bitmap, just like you probably did, outline trace clip art. And then I'm actually going to go remove color from entire image. I didn't even do that before. But we still have to fill that in. So that doesn't really matter. So there's your, well, we've lost the white when doing that, but you know what? Let's back up here. Let's trace it like I just did without removing the background, so you'll still have that white. Outline trade clip art. And you can say okay. And you can see that it's got the white of the deal, and then we want that. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically ungroup it. And I'm going to click on that white and get rid of it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool. I'm going to go ahead and use that blue. Well, don't really want to do that. Let's try grouping this together. Nope. We're going to have to fill that all in. Oh, no, we don't. Never mind. Better way to do it, take a rectangle. Because we just want the outside. We're going to fill that in, but you can see the part that it didn't fill in, so then we need to fill in that P. Now we're going to change color just so we can see it, but it doesn't really matter. And I'm going to fill everything in and nudge it over. Everything. See how it made that P a little better? And that thing is connected to the T. So now we have that. Now your next step you have to do is Control G to group it. And because I'm nudging, I can nudge it right back on top. Has to be on top. And then select it all. And then he knows about the intersect tool. And there you have it. A good, clean, crisp image. I mean, the colors are the original image of the bitmap. You know, even the X has the same amount of space on there. Anyway, I hope that helped him and somebody in the future. Thank you for watching.